Can you sing the Oompa Loompa song? Good singing, Natalie. Bless you. What do you see, Brett? You got your binoculars on?
Yeah.
You got your binoculars?